welcome back to the channel. My name is Shay. If you've been looking for real ways to make money online without a degree, today's video is just for you. I'm going to walk you through 7 legit platforms that pay you to test, train, and improve AI systems. These are flexible, beginner-friendly, and open worldwide. So whether you're a remote worker, a student, or just someone who wants to earn some extra cash on the side, you'll want to stick around until the end because I'll share some quick tips on how to maximize your income on these sites. So let's jump right in. The first one we've got is Clickworker. Now, over at clickworker.com, this site is all about microtasks. Think image tagging, text classification, or reviewing AI responses. Some tasks may only pay a few cents, but others can reach up to $60. On average, most fall in the, range of $2 to $7 per task, which adds up if you work consistently. No experience is needed, and it's available worldwide. And then if you qualify for their UHRS, that is inside of Clickworker, you'll be able to unlock way better projects and steadier income, okay? That's where the real money comes in, all right? And so next up, we have Remote Task at remotetask.com. Here, you'll be labeling data, annotating images, or checking AI-generated answers. The pay is higher than Clickworker, ranging from, about $15 to $45 per hour, depending on the task. Again, no degree or experience is required. And here's a tip, Remote Task offers free training and certifications. So the more you take, the better projects you qualify for. And that's where you will start to see, consistently 30 plus per hour, completing tasks. Number 3 is Aligner at aligner.com. This one focuses on judging AI content, writing sample answers, and giving feedback. The pay is typically, around $15 to $30 per hour, and it is open globally. And while you don't need prior experience, having strong writing or feedback skills will help you stand out in their application process. So if you're ever, been good at proofreading or giving constructive criticism, this might be the perfect opportunity for you. All right. And so next up, we have Outlier AI. This platform pays you to review, rank, and refine AI text. They're one of the higher paying options, with rates from $17.50 per hour up to $45 per hour. The average pay for this particular website is $29 per hour. Outlier often looks for people with writing, tutoring, or analytical backgrounds. So if you've ever tutored, proofread, or even helped edit essays, highlight that in your application. Okay. That's the edge that you want to, give, to give yourself, the best chance of getting recruited by that company. Next up is CrowdGen. This is powered by, Appen. Appen has been around worldwide. It is definitely, they recruit worldwide, but they've been around for decades, and you'll do things like create AI prompts, edit AI outputs, or lend your expertise in specialized areas like law, healthcare, or math. The pay can reach up to $50 per hour, though, it definitely averages around, $24K a year if you're working steady hours. This one is best if you already have subject matter expertise. So if you've got, teaching experience or knowledge in a specific field, make sure you highlight that in your application. 6 on the list is Pareto AI. This site focuses on training AI through tutoring style tasks. For example, helping AI understand math concepts or other subject-based projects. The pay ranges anywhere between $35 to $60 per hour, with math tutoring averaging around $45 per hour. Now, the catch is Pareto, they usually prefer applicants with teaching, coaching, or tutoring backgrounds. So if you've ever tutored or mentored someone, definitely emphasize that, and while availability is somewhat limited worldwide, it's worth checking if they accept, you in your region. Okay. And finally, we have Stellar at joinstellar.ai. This one has some of the highest pay on the list, between $25 to $90 per hour, with the average worker pulling in about $58 per hour. How does it work? You take the qualification test, and once you pass, you can start working on writing prompts, reviewing AI content, or evaluating answers. Now, here's a quick pro tip. Treat the onboarding quizzes like a job interview. The better you do, the more high paying work you'll be able to unlock and have access to. All right. And so, that is going to wrap it up with, these 7 legit platforms that are paying people worldwide to help train AI. These jobs are flexible, global, and don't require a degree, making them beginner-friendly ways to earn extra income online. Now, before you rush off to apply, here's my tip. Don't spread yourself too thin. Pick 1 or 2 of these platforms, learn their systems, and get really good at it. That's how you'll see consistent income instead of bouncing around all over the place. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more remote job tips, and go ahead and join my school. I share more opportunities inside of my school community. You will also get daily job alerts, resume templates, and access to a mega remote job directory. Okay. So I do appreciate you guys for watching. Best of luck to everyone.
Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy check mark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, Tellus, OneFormer, Appen, Remo tasks, Welocalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.